Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make an animated emote of a clip that you've made in the past, maybe something you did live or it's pre-recorded. I have so many on my channel, people always asking me, Captain, how did you do that? And well, I guess I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that right now. And it's completely for free. So first, you have to make up whatever it is you want to do. And right now I have one more slot available, and I'm thinking about doing like that cute little, I don't know, anime thing where you're like, you know, and you're just like, okay, I'm going to do that. Let's use that and make the animated emote. Let's go. All right. So I clipped it and I just spliced it in that exact spot that I just showed you. And here it is behind me. We can see it. All right. And that's what we're going to use from animated emote. So now that I have it saved, I'm going to name it Shy Captain. And then we're going to go to unscreen.com. So here we are at unscreen.com, and we're going to upload that video right here, which is here, Shy Captain. And why I come to unscreen.com is to remove the background. I don't want all that, the noise in the back. And then we just download it. Now I like to go to the animated GIF maker, which is easygif.com, and we're going to upload that file. There it is. And we wait. You have to make sure that it's under 100 megabytes or it won't work. But it's like a 1 second clip, so there's really no reason for that to be more than 100 megabytes. Okay, a cool thing is here is you can make it even smaller or shorter by taking out every third or fourth frame. If you go to Twitch, where you're supposed to upload it, which I like to go to Creator Dashboard, and then Viewer Rewards, and then Emotes. And you can see here where you have animated emotes. I got one slot left. We'll click on that. And then it tells you right here, it must be square shaped. We need to crop it. All right, click the square option. Now it's made it to square, and we're gonna make it as big as we can. We got the square in there pretty good. Make sure you don't click auto crop and hit crop image. And there, that's what we're looking at. It's looking pretty good. And the problem here though is it's 2.53 megabytes. And if you go back here, it says that it must be no more than 1 megabyte. All right, so now we have to make sure that what we're doing, that this gets below 1 megabyte. This is all the frames in that GIF here. So just pick a couple that look very close together. I'm going to say like skip that one and skip that one like that. Let's see what that looks like. I'll hit make a GIF. I love it. And look, perfect. It's under 1 megabyte. We've done it. And that's it. So how do we download it? We'll just hit save here. And now it's easy GIF, animated GIF maker. So you can see here. So now we'll go to where we're supposed to upload it. And let's see if it works. Easy animated GIF maker. And boom. So this is the funnest way to do it. Now, you could actually upload a custom thumbnail, but the thumbnail that it chose is perfect. I'm going to go ahead and leave it like that. And let's call it figures. There we go. And that's it. We're going to upload it. And it's already there. It's that easy. I hope that if you've enjoyed this, you can like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next tutorial. Cheers. I hope you have a wonderful sale.